Okay, we're back on Odyssey the Seas, and this is going to be a cabin tour of a 1U interior stateroom with virtual balcony. So you enter, you got your controls for your climate and the lights. You have your royal bed, which is put together as a king, but it can be split up to two twins. You have great storage on either side of the bed for hanging things and for over the bed storage cabinets as well. Very convenient. You have electrical plugs so that you can charge your devices while you're sleeping, and of course reading lights. An additional storage cabinet. Here you have a nice sofa seating area and your virtual balcony. So this is a live feed TV screen. You can shut it off if you don't want to see this, but it's kind of nice that you get a view of what you would see if you had a real balcony. You have more storage here, as well as a refrigerator. You have a nice desk area with charging plugs and USB chargers, a chair to use, flat panel TV. And then coming around here, you have your bathroom. It's a nice glass enclosed shower, plenty of space in there, a no attacking shower curtain. And here you have your commode, your sink, and storage shelves, extra storage down below. So this is the category 1U interior stateroom with virtual balcony on Odyssey of the Seas.